Hi everyone, I wanted to do an unboxing of this universal showering Delta head and give you guys a review about it. It is packed very well. It comes in this beautiful color. This is one attachment. Screws on over there. And I love that it has a on and off. So that is very nice. That way, while you take off the other part, this is off, not also on. It's the second attachment. Has different spray modes. And I really love that it has a sprayer over here and has the button for it. I really love that because whenever cleaning the shower, it is going to be so much easier to just click and just wash everything away. And there's also a screw over here, and it also comes with the hose. Very nice. Let's see. Screw it, and then you attach it from two different ends. You screw it on, and then you also screw it onto the other one. Oh, I think I did it wrong. Oh, there it is. And then you screw this onto your shower. And it attaches. Oh, it's magnetic, so that is very nice. And it's actually a very good magnet, so it's not going to fall down anywhere. Very well made. You guys check it out.